Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. For this video, I thought I would go ahead and recap the dividends I have received so far this year. This has been a video that a few viewers have wanted for some time, so I thought I'd just kind of go through my dividend history here and highlight some of the dividends I have received, and then also going through in an inclusive manner all the dividends I have received this year. So you can see on the bottom there, starting in January on the 3rd, CNI paid out a dividend of 28 cents. And I should just say as well, I have about 70 to 80 stocks in my current portfolio. A lot of the stocks I only own one or two shares of, so there's not going to be substantial dividend payments from those companies. But there are a few companies that I do have a sizable proportion of funds in. And as you can imagine, those dividends will be a little bit higher. So I'll kind of go through and highlight some of those as we go through my portfolio here. Garmin above that $1.02. CNI had a special dividend paid out in two different payments there. You can see 28 cents and 28 cents on the 3rd and 23rd. Huntington Bank shares 32 cents. And you can see here every few days I'm getting a dividend here. Kimberly-Clark KMB there 184. PepsiCo 301. Cardinal Health CAH 269. And again, the companies that I have a little bit higher proportion of my portfolio in, it's going to be a little bit higher payment there. PSEC, a great closed-end fund, 258, which pays out monthly. A great little fund there. High risk, high reward with that particular fund. However, I put a few videos out about PSEC and some of its siblings, if you will, similar funds. Dow Chemical there, 322. AT&T and Verizon, my telecoms, 980 and 58 cents. PCM, another great closed-end fund, 16 cents. Again, I don't have a lot of capital in that particular stock. PIP, two different payments here. Had a special dividend, 32.01 and 29.10. As we move further into February, you can see Abbott Laboratories, ABT, and ABBV, AbbVie, 12.19 and 7.04. Procter & Gamble, 4.02. Clorox, 3.12. Another PSEC payment there, 2.58. And again, as I go up, we see dividend payments every few days or so. Ford, one of my larger holdings, 283.40. Pfizer, another large holding I have, 28.80 above that. Otherwise, Wells Fargo and Company, Intel, PCM Fund, PTY. Again, a couple of closed-end funds that pay out monthly. Boeing above that, 142. Southern, 168. You can see Microsoft, IBM, ExxonMobil, Eli Lilly and Company, Target, CNP, railroad stock that I own, 3M, 235, Archer Daniels, Midland, Johnson & Johnson. So as I go up my portfolio, you can see, again, every few days I'm receiving a dividend here. Some of these are not substantial, but that's just because I don't have a lot of money in those particular stocks. All my stocks average about 3.8% when you take them in totality here. VFC, a new stock that I jumped into, $4.20 for its dividend there. Again, another PSEC, 258. Lockheed Martin above that, 182. So again, you can see every few days here I'm receiving a dividend, and as I put more money into these stocks, I'll be receiving a larger dividend when they do pay out. And again, most of these are paying out quarterly. So those are my dividends so far this year. Again, some of my larger holdings have not yet paid out, but they will. In a later video, I'll do an updated portfolio dividend review here. But those are the dividends that I have received so far this year. Hope that gives you guys a better idea what I receive in dividends here. I'll kind of go through this a little bit more slowly, so you guys probably can't read that fast as I have been scrolling. So again, I have dividends coming in every few days. As I continue to put money into each of these stocks, these dividend payments will increase somewhat, and over time I hope to get a very nice return out of my portfolio on a monthly basis, which I can then either use to reinvest or take out and use as I see fit. So just wanted to put out a quick video review of the dividends I have received so far this year. Let me know how you guys have been doing with your dividends so far. If you're investing in sort of my style here, trying to pick high quality blue chip stocks with great dividends and then adding to those on a monthly basis. So yeah, again, just wanted to go through my stocks very quickly here. reviewing the dividends. Again, let me know if you guys have any questions about my portfolio. I'm always interested in discussing it and also what kind of portfolios you guys are putting together. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.